Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a group card on Instacart and invite friends or family to shop together. So let's get started. First, open the Instacart app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Within the home page, tap on the basket icon given at the top right corner. This opens your basket screen where you can see all the product that you have added to your cart. Next, tap on any product in your cart and you will be redirected to the store page. At the top right corner of the store page, you will see an invite icon. Tap on it. This opens the invite friends and family screen with short instruction. If you are unsure how it works, you can just simply tap on how it works within the instruction and you will see a full explanation of the workflow. Below the instruction, there are three options to invite people: share, copy link, and send a text. If you tap on share link, you can invite through different social media apps. Or if you tap on copy links, this allows you to copy a unique link that you can share anywhere. But if you don't want to use both of them, you can just simply tap on send a text option and this opens your SMS app with a pre-written message. All you need to do is choose the phone number that you want to send and tap send. Finally, below these options, you will see the Your Family section, which shows a list of people who have accepted your invitation and can now view and add items to the group cart. And that's it. Now everyone you invited can collaborate in real time, add items as well as help fill the cart, which is very perfect for families, roommates as well as friends planning groceries together. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.